In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Salesforce and effectively manage and subscribe to reports. First, head over to your Salesforce homepage. If you're not already there, you can easily access it through your browser. Once there, we'll begin our journey by clicking on the App Launcher. This acts as your command center, where all your applications and resources can be found quickly. To locate the specific area for reports, simply type in Reports in the search bar. This is where all your data and insights are stored, allowing everyone from managers to team members to make informed decisions. Now, choose your desired report from the list. This selection will depend on what information you find most crucial for your workflow or what your team needs to track. After you've chosen your report, you'll notice an arrow down icon beside the Edit option. Click on this to uncover more functionalities, including subscribing to this report, which is an excellent way of ensuring you stay updated without manually checking every day. Next, click on Subscribe. This brings up options for frequency, days, and times that suit your schedule. Selecting how often you want to receive updates is key to keeping information at your fingertips, whether it's daily updates or a weekly digest. Then, choose the days you'd like to receive these updates. Customizing your subscription to suit your workweek helps in avoiding information overload. Now, decide on a time. An important factor, especially if you're aiming to align these reports with team meetings or personal morning routines. The next step involves editing your recipients. Salesforce allows you to share these reports with others seamlessly. Click on Edit Recipients and start by choosing your entity type. This could be a user, a group, or any other entity you've set up in Salesforce. Once selected, enter and select the username of the person or group you want to share the report with. It's important to be precise here to ensure that information gets to the right hands. Choose the username from the drop-down and then click on Add. Remember, collaborative work is much more productive when everyone is on the same page, and this process helps streamline communication. Finally, after confirming all your settings, close the edit window by clicking on the X at the top for a clean exit. Make sure to hit Save to store all these preferences. Congratulations, you've successfully subscribed to a Salesforce report and set it up for optimal sharing. Checking your inbox regularly and making any necessary adjustments will keep you and your team efficiently informed and ready to tackle any challenges ahead. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep exploring the tools that help you work smarter, not harder.